Hey everybody, Mustang Sally. It's been a long time since I've put a video out of hiking on the AT. I did do a hike in August, 1st of September actually, was when I stepped on trail. But it's been hard for me to put it together. The plan was to drive to Maine, hike Chimney Pond, stay overnight at Chimney Pond, and then hike up the Saddle Trail to Mount Katahdin. This was a plan that Moose Liver and I put together. We're not getting any younger, and I was just trying to get to that sign. So I'm gonna show a little bit, and then I will come in again and talk about things that happen and things like that through the video. But here it goes. We started out August 28th. We drove the whole way, slept in the car 3 nights. So our first night was in Ohio in a Love's parking lot. But something to remember, that's for sure. So I hope you enjoy. All right, let the fun begin. Off to Maine we go. So that goes to Dayton, Ohio.
I want to go. What is she telling me? 0.9, I got to get in the right lane. Is there somebody next to me?
Yeah, but you can get over.
I can get over.
Yeah, she's slowing down so you can get over.
Okay.
Ooh, that bridge.
Yeah, I'm just watching the road. I'm looking at the bridge. I'm going to slow right down now.
I know
that
you
she's
don't like
going
bridges.
past me.
Good.
Just go past me. I don't care now. There's no deers on the bridge. I'm safe. Isn't that cool looking over there with the 71? We're going over a river.
We are.
In a quarter mile, use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right onto I-71 North. Signs for Columbus, US 50 East.
It's a shame we can't ever have the Australian accent. or the German one.
Welcome to Ohio.
I thought we
Use
were
the right 2
Ohio.
lanes to turn slightly right onto I-71 North. Signs for Columbus, US 50 East.
Yeah.
Continue on I-71 North for 3/4 of a mile.
And then where am I going? To the left, to the left, to the left.
Yeah.
All right. Those lanes, okay.
Wow.
Isn't this fun?
It's a lot.
Isn't that beautiful? Can you imagine
Wonder
watching
who
a ball
plays
game
there.
in there? Oh,
That's really high up, those seats.
yep.
But who plays there, I wonder?
That's where the Cincinnati Reds play.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
In a quarter mile, keep right to stay on I-71 North.
71
Okay.
North.
It says it
Thank
on
God
the
they
street.
put it on the floor.
Yeah. No hazmat. No
Those
hazmat.
big people, they're working late.
There's big people?
No, off
Oh.
the office. They got all
Oh.
the lights on.
Maybe they leave them on.
No.
No.
Keep right to stay on I-71 North.
No, those are lawyers.
Okay.
I watch. Lawyers are detectives.
It's a big, tall building, that's for sure.
It's pretty.
Continue for 68 miles.
Oh, man.
Rounding third and heading home. Cool.
Oh, here's a game. Another arena. Tunnel is closed. Do not enter. Oh, here we go into the tunnel.
Oh.
Are you ready, Freddie? Are you still?
Thought it was closed.
That's
what it said.
Tunnel, do not enter. Oh man, this is just like in 24. Look for all the side doors that go into the sewer underneath it. No, there's.
Oh, I see one. Right there.
Ooh, that.
Morning.
Yeah, it's connected.
Mustang Sally and Moose Liver.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
We
Ding ling.
we made it to Columbus, Ohio. Is that where we are?
No, we're still an hour from there.
But we're in Ohio.
Yes.
Slept in the car. some.
Toss and turn. That's me.
It was a good first night, though.
We learned how to not do it.
Know what to do tonight when we stop again. But we're in Ohio, so we're making miles. And got up at 5 a.m.
Oh, man.
We're having our cup of Joe. You know me. Gotta have our JoJo.
I'm putting my,
so I can be human.
yes.
Catherine's got, our moose liver's got everybody scared that I'm not human if I don't have a cup of coffee.
Yeah, that's for sure.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah,
So
she
we're
needs
human.
some coffee, and I need to.
But
And Mustang said I bought me my coffee today, and I got the large one.
yes, we need our large
We
coffee.
need our large coffee so that we can stop more often.
But we're here at the Flying J, and I'm just sitting here watching the truckers go by as she
And watching the. Ooh, he's cute. Look at the way he walks. Look at that swinger.
bow chicka bow wow.
Him looking around. Okay, no, this one's my boyfriend.
We'll rate that one. Oh no, he's wearing slides at 5 a.m.
Oh, no, he's a hiker. He socks. And, yeah, socks.
I don't know.
Hiker shoes. Look at his purse.
Oh, I don't know.
He's got a purse.
It could be a 9.9. No, we're just kidding, y'all. Really, we're not, but no, we're just enjoying our coffee. But we said, what will we do without our truckers? You know?
Oh, they just keep us laughing.
We wouldn't have our
See, I want that hat.
product,
I don't know what
our
it says,
food.
but
But
he's
yeah.
got to pee. Look at how fast he's walking.
Okay, y'all. Delete. That was me this morning. So anyway,
Oh.
we're just people watching as we drink our coffee and get woke.
Mm-hmm.
We're woke though. We're stoked. We're woke. Maine, here we come.
One of the ways.
In half a mile, use the right two lanes to take exit 220 for I-271 north toward Erie, Pennsylvania.
Much time. Glad I was paying attention. I'm glad you knew it did score to.
And at the end of the day, if you can find a way to try to.
You would have been okay. See, they wait till you get right here to say, "Oh, I could have
Use
stayed
the
in
right
that
two
lane."
lanes to take exit 220.
Do that, I think.
Okay, so we survived the truck stop sleepover. We got back on the road and we drove through Pennsylvania, got into New York, and found a little parking area, like a park and ride, and pulled in there and got our stuff ready for the night because Moose Liver drove 12 hours that day. I mean, we covered a lot of ground. Friday. It's Friday now, and second night in the car. I thought I was gonna die that night, but anyway, we got all settled in, and Moose Liver's got her car fixed up, so when she does go out hiking and she has to sleep in her car, she's got a little curtain that goes around and blocks out stuff. But me being a light sleeper, I saw headlights coming, and they kind of sat in the parking lot, and the way the parking lot was, I could tell they weren't in a parking spot. They were just pulled up at the top and shining their headlights down on our car. So I'm like, okay, it's probably a cop telling us we can't stay here, so I'll just wait a little bit. And then they turned their lights off, and then another truck pulled up, and it sounded like one of those rollbacks, and I thought, oh, they're having car trouble, they're going to be towed in. Well, then they sat there a minute and turned their headlights off, and I was like, what are they doing? We're fixing to get robbed or killed or something. We're in a New York parking lot in the middle of nowhere, and it's not like in New York City kind of thing. It's just a back road with a little parking lot. We're taking, toll the route where there's no tolls. So it's taken us longer to get there, but we're bypassing the toll booths. And so I reach back and I get my little mace spray. I've never ever used it, and I guess it's still good. I don't know, just in case. And Catherine's snoring. She's exhausted. She had drove all day. And so she wakes up for a minute, and I was like, I just want you to know, these two cars up here, da-da-da-da-da, and I'm not sure what's fixing to happen. And about that time, a car pulls up to the driver's side, her side, where she's at, laying down, and music's just blaring. And we're like, oh my goodness, what's fixing to go down? And so we just wait, and we're waiting, and it's like forever. And then they finally leave. The cars turn on their headlight, the truck, whatever it was, they leave. And so I finally go to sleep, and I must have been so exhausted, because when I woke up to get ready and head on the road again, there was this box van on my side, and I didn't even hear it pull in. So I was out for a little bit. So anyway, we had another long day, and we are going to get into Maine today. So beautiful sights, and I will let the videos play on, and I'll quit yakking.
Oh, the garlic festival, he said, is downtown, so. Parking area in New York in the car. So second night in the car. We're definitely becoming hiker trash, and we haven't even got to the trail yet to hike, but we're getting prepared for it. We're heading to Maine today. We'll get there today, right? Yeah,
today. We're passing through New Hampshire shortly. I don't know how long. We'll get there when we get there. We got all day. And we're gonna stop in where? Rangeley.
Oh, Rangeley.
Rangeley. Okay. Okay, do a little sightseeing. But we got all day. We go to the Hostel of Maine tomorrow and get a shower and a good night's sleep before we tackle Mama K. But it's been a good day. We're on the road 12 hours at least yesterday, weren't we? At least 12. Yeah. But
we stopped at 10 minutes to 10.
Yep. So, and then we were up and going by
6.
5. Your alarm went off at 5. By the time we rolled out, got coffee going, because Moose Liver had the stove going with hot water so we can have coffee, so I can be human before she travels with me. So, or I travel with her. She could put me out. It's her car. So.
I have my coffee turn.
But it's been good weather, beautiful weather, and we're traveling on. covered bridge. It's so pretty. It's called the Kissing Bridge. I love these type of bridges. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? That's a wedding photo or engagement picture right there. Oh, I just love it. They're so cool.
On New Hampshire 116 South toward Sugar Hill Road.
Now tell me where he is. I don't see him. Where? Well, I believe you, but oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Hello, little bear. Hi there, bear. I'm not. I gotta hold of it tight. Where's Mama? I know, you're so cute. Goodbye. I'm gonna run. I saw my first bear. Isn't that exciting? All right, so little update on that one is Vermont was nice. I loved the pictures of the old candy. I remember the little gold bag, little gum of little gold nuggets. When I was little, we used to get those. I thought those were pretty neat, and a lot of other little candies that I remember as a kid. And the covered bridge, those are just beautiful. I just love those. And then, so after we got done sightseeing at Vermont in the little country store, we headed further up north. And in New Hampshire, oh my goodness, we're driving down these back roads, and I looked in the yards looking at different things, and all of a sudden I see a bear. And I told Moose Liver, I said, I just saw a bear. And so she's turning the car around, and she's like, where? I said, it's there. Keep going. And we're looking. And I'm just excited, but this bear is probably thinking, look at them nuts, just admiring me from afar. But anyway, I was wondering where Mama was, because it did look like a baby cub. So that was exciting. And so then after that excitement, we drove on in to Maine and just kind of sightseeing. We went to Height of Land, and that's where we planned to stay for the night in the car for the last night. And it was beautiful there. So the AT is there, it crosses there, but it's like a pull off for a lot of people to see the views, and a lot of traffic. So I was wondering, oh my goodness, where am I going to go to the bathroom if I have to go? There's a lot of people around here. And I know I could have got my tent and went and hiked down a little bit off of there and found a little stealth spot and slept in my tent that night, but the temperatures were going to be really cold that night, so I chickened out. I'm a wimp when it comes to cold weather. My bones hurt. So anyway, so we slept in the car again at the Height of Land, and guess what? I woke up with headlights in my face again in the morning. So I was pretty tired by then. 2 days in the car. That's our third day. I'm exhausted. But I didn't care how we got to Maine and where we slept, as long as I got to sleep in a bed the night before we got to Baxter State Park. So the car headlights were faced right at us, but the people had left their car running and I guess got in the back seat and stretched out, and they didn't care that their headlights were on our car. So that was just crazy. Disrespect, that's all. But anyway, it was a beautiful sightseeing place. We were hoping for a sunset, but there was an overcast and couldn't see. So if you've never been there, check out the Height of Land in Maine. So, all right. I will show a few more pictures of the Height of Land and get back at you. Welcome to Maine, everybody. Is that not a beautiful sight? We were hoping for a pretty sunset. Don't think we're gonna get one. Too much of an overcast. I was hoping to see a moose. I already saw a bear in someone's yard, but there's still hope. We still have Monday and Tuesday to go. It's 2 in the morning and we're heading out. And I'm trying not to wake anybody, but this is what it looks like. I can't turn any lights on, but this is where they all eat breakfast in the morning before they head out. And then we can make our own stuff during the rest of the time. And then they got a little hiker store. And there's bunks on this floor and upstairs. But everybody's sleeping. Lots
You are gonna pass me.
Good luck to you.
I would like to say it's all skill now, but yeah, no.
How far are you going?
Hopefully to the peak. Last time I tried, I couldn't see anything.
Uh-huh.
I was totally blind, so
Oh,
it should
wow.
be easier.
Okay.
But I can't walk now, so.
Well, we're in the same boat.
I know, it's just part of getting older.
Yep.
That's it.
We're going slow, one step at a
That's all you
time.
can do.
Good luck to you.
Trails here.
Happy trails. And so it begins. Pack is feeling heavy. Shoes are on. Sporting my darn Tufts. This foot's a little swollen from all the car riding, but it's okay. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do this darn thing. And I left my bumper sticker for Brenda in our back glass here. So, hiking for Brenda. All the miles I do is for her, so here we go. Let's get started. Moose Liver's up there waiting for me, already chatting with people. That's Moose Liver. If she wasn't talking, she wouldn't be walking. That's gonna be a shirt I'll make for her. If you're not talking, you're not walking. I'll try to remember that on this video so I can get it. Mustang Sally. It's 8 a.m. that we started out. We are on the trail to Chimney Pond. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful bridge. Good water source. Water's flowing good. Started out smooth. Now it's up rocks. But she's doing it. Wish her luck. She is going to see that sign tomorrow. And we're still going up. Nothing but boulders and ankle breakers. Those are the ankle breakers. Don't step on them. Don't step on the ankle breakers. I really don't think I can hike in video, so I'm just trying to do little shorts, kind of going downhill a little bit now, but it's been a challenge already. My foot feels okay, so, but it's pretty. Can't wait to get to the bunkhouse and see what Chimney Pond looks like with Mount Katahdin right in front of her. So I'm gonna get to hiking because I need both trekking poles. Wow. See if I can walk the balance beam. If the trail was like this all the way, that would be awesome. Ooh. Oh. This is fresh too. This is brand new. That's cool. It goes on and on. Moose liver's done left me. I don't even see her. She is getting it. Thank you, trail maintainers. This is nice. Back to the rocks. Okay. Rocks are my best friends. Ugh. Oh, gosh. Lord help me. Definitely got to watch where you're placing your feet. Oh, man. There's a chipmunk over there. Thank goodness it was a chipmunk. All right, up I go. After all that climbing, we have some smooth ground. No joke. It's no joke. You can't even see the rocks we come up.
What?
Nothing. And it goes on straight up again. Mm. Oh, Jesus. Never have I done any challenge like this in my life. I'm enjoying it in a way. In another way, I'm telling myself I have lost my mind. It's beautiful. I hear the roaring brook water running somewhere, and we're gonna run into it here pretty soon. But we still got about a mile to go from the 3.3 that we're supposed to do today. We started at 8:15, 8:30 this morning. Yeah, and it's 2:30, I think. And it's no joke. It's no joke. But everybody that's coming down from Chimney Pond is saying it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I can't wait to see the beautiful, but I hope I get there before dark. I don't know, but it's a lot of boulders and rock scrambling, that's for sure. Not what I expected at all. So I'm hoping I could get my shoe back on in the morning once I take it off tonight, because my shoelaces are about to pop. It's so tight on my foot. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have to call this my last hike until I can get my foot fixed, because it is no joke. I'm waiting for Moose Liver. She's taking a break, so I don't want to take a break. Every time I stop and sit, my feet don't want to go. But it hurts to just stand there too, so I don't know. We're gonna get there though. Tomorrow might be another story. I'm hoping we can make it to see the Mount Katahdin sign. I'm really hoping we can, but if it's anything like this, we did this, but it took us all day, but I sure don't want to hike down in the dark either. So stay tuned. I'll let you know when we get to Chimney Pond and show you some views. Yep. We are night hiking. And I'll tell you, it's no fun. Let's see what time. Well, this is the beloved Mama Kay, Mount Katahdin. She is a beast, and I'm afraid to say she's too much for me. Yesterday was a eye-opener. It was a hard hike, trying to get to where we needed to be, and realized it just wasn't going to happen. Kind of depressed, disappointed, but I tried. I really did. But she's beautiful. I'm glad I was able to see her in person, even though I couldn't climb her. It's been great. Now we're heading home.
New Hampshire, that's where I was thinking of.
Almost looks like it's too low.
It's good talk.
We're in New Hampshire. Hi, Maine.
Welcome to New Hampshire.
All right. It's another beautiful day today. Mustang Sally here. I'll try to talk loud over the water, but I have stopped the video here because I know this is a beautiful spot. I'm in North Carolina right now, but I just wanted to do a little out video for my Maine trip. So Moose Liver and I, we hiked a good hike. We're not quite halfway to Chimney Pond when Moose Liver fell. She didn't get hurt, but she could have. She could have hit her head on the boulders that we were climbing over. Scared me to death. An EMT hiker just happened to be coming, and he checked her over, because the first thing I asked her is, did you hit your head? And she said no, she wasn't hurt. Very scary, very scary. So she gave it her all. The ranger came down from Chimney Pond to go home for the day, and she said, your best bet is to turn around and go back to the car. It only gets harder from here. Harder from there, I couldn't even imagine. I'm telling you, it is no joke. So my thing was, I just wanted to help my friend to get to the Katahdin sign. That's all she wanted. She's hiked a lot of miles on the AT, more than me, and she deserved to see that sign if I could possibly help her get to it. But at that point, when that ranger said, you gotta be kidding, you know, it only gets harder from here. She didn't say you gotta be kidding, but you know, they know. We're two old ladies trying to get to the sign at Mount Katahdin. It was very important to Moose Liver to see that sign, because she said it's now or never. And I started out as a thru hiker with her, and I just wanted to try to help her finish. I'm okay if I don't see that sign. I promise you, I am okay if I don't see that sign, because after you watch this video and you see the boulders that we were hiking over, I'm in no shape to be doing that. So anyway, I mean, I'll do sections on the AT, like climbing Mama K. I'll just make me a sign and take a picture, I guess. Buy it in my front yard, I don't know. So anyway, we hiked down in the dark, and eventually a ranger come up and hiked the rest of the way with Moose Liver to get her off there safely, because she was exhausted. I mean, it's very, very exhausting. My pack was on for probably 14 hours, and I couldn't wait to get back to the car. And so I hiked on as the ranger helped her. And then when I got out to the end, the head chief of all the rangers, I don't know what his name was, I was just glad to see him, and he walked me to the car, told me just hang out at the car and wait. He was going up to help get Moose Liver down. So it was a sad and disappointing day, but we tried, and that's all that matters. So we're tough old broads, but that climb to Chimney Pond took us out a little bit. So, but I'm okay, and we'll do trail magic, cheer on other hikers. It'll be okay, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I am on my way home from hiking a little section on the AT here in North Carolina. So, and I've always loved this spot, so I knew I was going to stop here to do a little outro of our trip to Maine. And we eat breakfast at a cool Appalachian cafe. Saw hikers' names on their ceiling, and got one of their truck tire donuts. Oh my goodness, you hikers, when you get to Maine, if you don't try one of those truck driver wheels, they're huge donuts that they make there. So when y'all get there, y'all try those out. You could share one of them. I think they were $8 a piece, if that tells you how big the donuts were. I didn't get a picture of it, but yeah. And then we just took a long drive home, and was sad to leave Maine, but it was a good time. The hostel in Maine, they were great, treated us nice, because I know some people treat section hikers a little different than through hikers, and they shouldn't. I mean, we hike and we love it. So anyway, God bless y'all. I'm gonna head home and celebrate Brenda's birthday with my family. Okay, thank you.